Hello friends, today is June 3rd. I'll be giving you a June update on my plants. These are my eggplants. Look how tall they grew already. Hot peppers, really tall, they flower. And I took out all the leaves underneath the first flower, from the first Y. This didn't flower yet, so I didn't take it out yet. All the others already flowered. These are my sesame leaves. We already started eating them. These are my crunchy peppers. They all have flowers. Basil and parsley. How big my parsley is. So some lettuce. Tomato. Already started getting some tomato ready. They have grown very tall. These are my squash. See, starting to get fruits. All these are my squashes. And my cucumbers. Getting flowers and fruits. Here too. I've been having some, well, it's been raining for almost 3 weeks, almost every day for 3 weeks. And I noticed that some of my cucumber leaves, they're having some fungus problem. Okay. And also, there are some bugs that are eating the leaves. So I'm going to be making an organic fungicide and an organic pesticide. Something that with ingredients that you probably have it at home or are very inexpensive. I will leave a link at the end of the video, and I'll post this video after I make the fungicide and the pesticide. I'll probably upload this video in about a couple of days later. There are more of my cucumbers. See, some damage on the leaves. Twisted peppers, more eggplants here. There are more cucumbers. I planted some blueberries. They're coming out. The fruits. And the two blueberry plants. Tomatoes, flowers. Tomatoes here. Tomatoes. Crunchy peppers. We already started eating the lettuce, as you can see. I'll make the pesticide and the fungicide, test them, and then upload at the end of the video. Will have link. Thank you. I'll see you in July.